this video I'll shortly explain one local issue common problem. And 15 minutes ago I researching and then I find this issue and I find one website. They are providing basically cleaning service in US. Actually this is their main keyword, house cleaning in Massachusetts, and their message is that in Massachusetts they are providing cleaning service. But look at this is their title. I'm going to the same brush and then enter the title and look at this 19 organic traffic. That means traffic or organic keywords 58 referring domain referring backlinks. Okay, our main focus is organic traffic. Okay, I'm search this keyword in Google, then you can understand. Enter. Okay, scroll down. Look at this. Their website is fast. Then you can understand. You were thinking maybe they are fastly ranking, and then why they don't get traffic. Okay, I'm go to the again same dash and I'm search this keyword. Then look at this. Their volume is 90. That means their website, I thinking their website is new. They are ranking fast, but they are chose low competitive keywords. But look at this and scroll down. Okay. And here is their service: regular cleaning, deep cleaning, move in, move out, commercial cleaning, post construction cleaning, urban airbag cleaning. Okay, there are this all service they are providing, but why they are don't getting traffic? I don't know. The main reason is, okay, look at this. Just I am enter site dot colon okay, enter. Actually they don't have enough pages, just they have 3 pages. That's why they don't get traffic. Actually Google trust you have enough content and quality content, then Google trust this website, this quality. They're providing quality content, follow EAT experience for authority, trustworthiness, then they are ranked website. Yeah, this website is ranked but low competitive keyword rank. Okay, and but I don't keyword, then I can properly explain. That's why most of the website you are facing when you getting new clients or your new website, you are ranking any specific area, you are ranking hard keyword. Even your few times you can see your website is first position or first, second or third, but you can't getting traffic. The main reason is your website not a proper content and follow EAT. That's why this website, I know main problem is there. This website UI UX good, looking beautiful. Then look at this, they are service in the these boxes. This box are not another any specific pages. That's why this is the main problem. Like they are create this specific another pages, then maybe they are getting more traffic. Because SEO is the mind game. You understand the intent, what your user searching, then you can understand and then create content. Then Google trust you this website specifically when most of the audience are search near me keyword, and this is so competitive, but you have lots of pages, quality content, then you can easily rank. Because right now come AI change, most of the audience are search long tail specific, very specific keyword. That's why your this website main problem is creating pages. Like I have a personal website, means personal portfolio website, and my website have almost 5 to 10 pages. That's enough for my personal website. But I have a business website, then I must be need almost minimum 20 to 30 and maximum one lots of pages, no matter, but minimum 30 to 40. As your business is local, then you need to create specific pages. Plus this website don't have blog section. Blog section is so important. Yeah, their follow effective section is good because come here is so important, but the main issue is their website don't have enough pages. This is so common issue, and this so basic video I know, but this so important because it's so a small problem but biggest ranking effect. That's why your website is fully optimized, but you need enough and more pages for your website. Then Google trust you. Thank you so much for this video. I hope you can converse your problem, and this is the I face this problem. That's why I'm share this video. Okay, thank you.